Using the Media Library with Easy Texting. From the Easy Texting homepage, click Media Library in the left-hand nav. From here, you can either upload and manage your own media or search through millions of free images from Shutterstock. To learn more about Shutterstock's free premium photos in the image editor, click the iCard in the top right. To begin using your own media files, first tap on Upload Media. Drag and drop the files you wish to upload into the upload box, or select a file by clicking Select a File. You can now either attach the media directly to a new text or fully customize it by clicking on Add Text or Logo. From here, you have the option to crop, add filters and effects, include text, and so much more. When you're all finished, simply click Done, and then on Attach to New Text. Your media will always be saved and available under the Media Library tab for future messages, and can also be easily accessed from your message screen from the Media button. Remember, when you add an image to your message, it will change to an MMS message, which costs 3 credits to send. To learn more about MMS messages, please click the iCard in the top right. Now, compose the rest of your message and then hit Send. Congrats! You've now officially used the Media Library with Easy Texting.